she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is...
Welcome to my channel. I'm Shawna. Happy New Year. Out with the old, in with the new beginnings, a new journey. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comments down below. Happy New Year. Join this journey with me on YouTube. Road to 1,000 subscribers. If you guys love vlogging content, day in the life, week in the life, travel vlog, shopping, cook with me, reviews, what's going on in my life, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and let's start a positive family over here. I'm all about positivity, so if that's your kind of content, please subscribe. Let's begin 2023 together. I'm about to go to the city. I'm currently in New Jersey. I'm taking you guys along with me, my first vlog, the first day of the year. Let's go. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Positive vibe, create a positive family community over here. And once again, I'm Shawna. Glad to have you here. Welcome. It's so foggy right now. I can barely see ahead of me. Terrible weather. Horrible. But I'm going to make the best of it. So let's go enjoy the new year together.
Welcome to New York.
I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up. I'm way up on the coke and rum. You stay up, hoping I'll come home. Don't wait up, cause I'm way too gone. Don't wait up, wait up.
I'm trying to figure out if Ghana jollof rice or Nigeria jollof rice is the best. Which one would you say? It's a very difficult decision to make.
It's very tight right now.
If Ghana jollof rice is better than Nigeria jollof rice, but restaurant was good, the food was delicious, serving was amazing, it full of vibes. Dinner was amazing, it was fun, it was lovely. I enjoyed my Friday night. It was lovely. It was amazing. Love it. The next time we go to Africa, we need to go to Lagos. You guys always go to West Africa.
That's in South Africa as well.
No, we need to go to South Africa. Sorry, yeah, we go to South Africa.
Yeah.
We need to go to Lagos. But yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Oh my god, on my way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm loving it. I'm currently driving around in Manhattan in an Uber because I wanted to have a couple cocktails, so I didn't drive to the city. I drove. My Friday evening is going amazing. So remember, if you guys like a content like this, lifestyle vlogs, travel with me, reviews, what's in my bag, day in the life, authentic vlog, cook with me, remember to subscribe, like. We're a family over here. I'm glad to have each and every one of you guys. The city that never sleeps. It's been a while. I haven't had a Krispy Kreme donuts. It's been a while. The city that never sleeps.
You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself to there. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open.
And my first vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for checking my channel out. Gladly appreciate. The vessel in Manhattan is so troubled. There's always something going on in the vessel. There are so many incidents that happen in the vessel in Manhattan. People jump off for once. People commit suicide, which is the same thing. So much have happened, but yeah.
Welcome to New Jersey.